Lund boats have a long reputation for quality, and the Livewells inside of them are no different. Whether you have an aerated system, a Prolong, or a Prolong Plus, Rapid Marine wants to make sure you're getting the best use out of your system. Let's start here. The master power switch controls power to your Livewells. Make sure it's on in order to run your pump. Inside your Livewell and bait well, you're going to find one or two valves. They look like this here. This white one opens up the water flow, so you need to turn the valve counterclockwise. I continue to hear from techs here that the #1 call they get is, why isn't my Livewell filling with water? People turn the switch on, they hear the motor running, but no water's flowing. It's because the valve is closed. The more you loosen it, the more water flow you're gonna get. This here is your drain plug. Be sure this is in and that it's in tight. If not, this can pop out if you're driving in rough water. Now, to fill up your Livewell, you have two options. This switch here turns it to manual, which means you're going to be bringing in water from outside in the lake into the Livewell. When it's on manual, it's going to run continuously. If you switch it to auto, this is going to run it on a timer system. You're still going to be bringing in water from the lake, but it's going to run for a little bit, turn off, and then run again on its own. If you happen to be going into warm water or dirty water, it's a good idea to use this switch, which is going to run it on recirculation. If you turn it on auto, it's going to take the water that's already in your Livewell and continue to recirculate it. Once again, if you turn it on manual, it's going to just do the same thing, but just continuously run it. This is also a really good idea to run if you're going from one spot to another, and it's going to keep you from losing water. When you leave the lake, it's extremely important that you take out all the plugs. The plug in the Livewell, in the bait well, and in the back of the boat, as well as take the motor and lower it all the way down. You want to make sure that you get rid of all the water that's in the boat. It'll help prevent the spread of invasive species, which is actually against the law. Now that you know how to run your Livewell system, we hope you enjoy your new Lund boat from Rapid Marine. We'll see you on the water.